Assalamualaikum. Today we will say recurring transactions. First, go to gear icons. Click on gear icons. Here are some options: setting lists tools your company. We say lists options. Here is the recurring transactions. Click on recurring transaction. So some options here by filter by names or filters. Reminders lists. Here's a new here's a transactions types. Here's a transaction types is some non-posting search, checks, non-posting credit card, credit note, deposit, estimate expense, invoice, journal entry, refund, sales receive transfer. So today we recurring transactions estimated, then okay. Some wait for loading us show here's show some options template names, schedules, try reminders, and schedules create and that's the second option and this in advance. Here's 7 days advance, 8, 9, 5 days advance, 1 month, 3 months advance. So here's that's advance customers names. Here's the emails monthly. Here's some option in travels and daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Here's monthly, the first and the options. The first, second, third, fourth, last. Here's first day, month is start day and start some start day and end afters occurs option. Here is billing address track. Here is some option notes. Here's amount is exclusive of tax inclusive tax. Here always exclusive of tax service date products descriptions quantity rate amount. Here it's classes new classes. So here's then save and tablets save tablet. So this is recurrent transactions today finish this recurring transaction. Thanks everyone, like, comment and subscribe.